All right, we're gonna check the front of the beam. Let's go to that page. All right. So this is the front here, right?
Right.
So what are they asking for?
Okay, the front, they're asking for door number 6.
Mm-hmm. That's the ID
Code
number, right?
yeah,
Okay.
6F03, that's correct.
Okay.
4 number 5 is 5F05. 2 number 5 should be 36 feet 6 inches.
Okay.
2 by, and then stirrups 2 by 4, number 3 is 3F06.
Okay. What size is that beam?
For which?
Right here. Go to identify that beam.
This beam right here?
Yeah.
What the?
What size of the hoop?
Oh, the hoops would be 13 by 27.
Okay. Because we took what, 3 inches off each one?
Yeah.
Okay. Off of the actual size of the beam, right?
13 by 30.
All right. So let's identify what those bars are.
Okay.
You got what's the identification number?
6F03.
Okay, go find that on the chart. 6. Okay, so you see it.
6F03 for number 6. You have a.
What's the total? What's the total in?
38 feet by 6 inches.
Okay, so you're looking for that on the ticket. And then what it is in the middle?
So you're gonna have a 1 inch.
No, 1 foot.
1 foot hook. And the middle is gonna be 36 feet 6 inches.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have another hook on the end.
Okay.
At 4 foot.
That's what's gonna be in the front. So when we go out there, that's what we're looking for, right? All right. So how many say we need of those?
You need 4.
Okay. What's the other identification one?
For number 5's 5F05.
Okay. Look for that.
05 here.
Okay.
5F05.
So what's the total on that?
38 feet 2 inches.
Okay.
You need a 10 inch hook. 36 feet. What is that? 6.
Okay.
Yeah, 36 feet 6 inches. And another 10 inch hook.
All right. So that's what we're looking for there too as well. Okay. So we're gonna go out there to the site, out there to where the steel is, and identify that. So you remember what you need?
36 feet. I need a 36 feet.
Let's find the first ones. Okay. Let's find those for that. Yeah.
So
What is that again?
4 number 6 6F03 6F03 36 inches.
Okay.
So I'm looking for 38.6.
All right. You're looking for that with 2 hooks on the end, right?
Right.
All right. Let's go find that. Good job. So you can go automatically, just look at the bars that have hooks on it, and that's a process of elimination. What size is that?
This is the one.
That's the one right there?
36.6. I'm
Okay.
looking for 36.8. But
Okay, look at the take the dirt off of it a little bit. Okay. So in the middle it has what? Just look at the idea how they have it.
So
That's not the one right there.
36.6.
Okay? Because you see, look at here. It doesn't have the hooks, right? Look for the hooks.
Oh, which one was this? Oh.
That's a straight bar. What does that say down there? What's that?
38.
Okay. It may be this one right here because the ticket. What's this one right here? You stepping on it. What's that one? Does it have an identification on it? Nothing. All right. So what we're gonna do when the tag is completely off of it, that's why you got your tape. We're gonna measure now. You got a what? What size your tape? 25. You're gonna need a longer tape. All right. So let's get the tape and we're gonna measure. All right. So you need
35.
that may be it because sometimes the ticket comes off. This may be it. Yep. On both ends.
What, number 5?
Yep. How many you needed, Mckenzie? Was it 4 you needed? All right. But you got one here. You got some here too. What's this one here?
Oh,
This is look at this one.
Right there. Them might be it right there.
Come here, Mckenzie. Look at this over here. This is.
Them might be it.
No, this only got one on each. What? Find out what this is here.
Oh, we got one on each.
What's that? What does that say?
No, this is 3711.
That's 3711. That's not the one you need. Okay, that's it. Let's keep looking. Hold the tape. Hold Rodney's tape. So what was it in the middle? 36.6.
Yeah.
This it's supposed to be 36.6.
36.
Yeah, all the way out to the end. So
I'm at 35 now.
all right. So right is this is it right here. These are the 4 right here. That goes in the front of the garage. All right. So when you don't have when the ticket is off of it, then you just get your tape out and measure. Okay. So we know that those 4 are gonna go in the front of the garage right there. All right. Great. So before we start stacking steel, let's let them get that other steel up first. Make sense? Okay. All right. Let's keep it moving.